Alrighty, guys, that's it for our Mexican holiday. We are heading to the border today. I don't know if it's the smartest thing to do, crossing the border on a Saturday, but we're doing it anyway. What the heck? I got nothing better to do, and I got to get back to the US and do stuff and get the Starlink straightened out and everything else. So we're on our way. All right. Well, that was a heck of a drive from San Felipe, Mexico to Quartzsite in one day. Yeah, I guess Google Maps brought me to a different port of entry in the U.S. I went to Calexico East instead of West usually. It was the same length of crossing. But man, there was one gate that said it was only 9 feet tall, and I'm 9 feet 5 inches, and I'm glad I made it through it. It's a little panicking, not too many places to turn around. The border crossing was easy. If you saw, the guy just came in for 5 minutes, took a look through the fridge, looked through a couple cupboards, and he was done, and I was out of there. It was nice. Oh, and the Screwworm thing, they never asked for any CDC forms, Screwworm forms, anything. So I'm glad I didn't waste my time going to a vet and getting all that paperwork done. I think I've heard it was 1,500 pesos and stuff. So it's up to you guys if you are crossing the border on whether to get the Screwworm test or not. They still weren't asking, and that was middle of February. So yeah, I don't know if it's all just been rumors about the Screwworm thing or what, but I didn't bother and it worked for me. Rick and Sandy are here from Ontario. I saw them 2 years ago, but with everything going on last year, and I don't even know if they came to Quartzsite last year. But yeah, it was good to see them and hang out with them for a few days. I'm having to stand on this side of the van because it's windy today. Good old Quartzsite. We've had some good weather since I've been here. The last couple of days haven't been windy at all. We've had a fire at night. Been sitting out in shorts at night time. It's been great. I got the solar panels on the less windy side. They're doing good as always, charging me up to 100%. Gotta like it. But yeah, I got some repairs to do on the van, that's for sure. My fresh water tank, one of the wires broke on the sensors, so I gotta crawl under there and fix that. What else do I got going on? Oh yeah, my microwave stopped working on the way down to Mexico. It kept beeping on and off, so I have to pull it out. It might be as simple as the plug pulled itself out on those vibrating roads in Mexico, or I might have to replace it. I don't know. But I kind of miss having a microwave, actually. It's nice to have for warming up leftovers and everything else, so I have missed it a little bit. I wasn't sure if I was going to. What else do I have to do? Oh yeah, Starlink. It's been ordered. Hopefully it's going to be here early next week, so I can have that again. If any of you guys have the Starlink Mini and you have a roof mount, let me know what you're using, because I want to get a magnetic roof mount for the Starlink and have it up there and get the 12-volt conversion cable on it, so I can be running with substantially less power than even the Gen 2 one. So I'm looking forward to that and testing out the Mini and see how much better that works for my battery system to draw less power. It's always good. But yeah, I think Rick and Sandy are staying here for just another night or two. But I got to stay till after the weekend anyway for the Starlink, and then I'm heading back to Yuma for the dental work. So yeah, back on my own again. That's okay. I don't mind myself. And Uma. It's alright. So yeah, we'll be back at Yuma, probably at the Thousand Trails RV park down there. It's convenient for the border and everything else, and fingers crossed that everything's good with my mouth so I can get all the rest of the dental work done and have teeth again, or upper molars. Silly that I did that. I haven't been able to chew for a year. But yeah, that's where we're at for now. And yeah, if that's possibly it, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll end the video with a little bit of trail riding that Rick took me on the other day in his Suzuki that's all beefed up. Where is it? Right over there. Yeah, that was fun. Saw some old gold mines and stuff, and an old stone cabin that's just over there that we were looking at the other day. So yeah, it's cool to actually see a different area of Quartzsite. Dome Rock, I'm usually camped way down there. But yeah, I didn't even know this area existed, so it's nice to know. And I ain't telling you where it is, because it's a secret. Anyhow, that's it, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys. Bye.